guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, I'm taking you along as I continue decorating my family room for Christmas. So we're starting here over on my fireplace. So I did pick up these little cute mercury glass Christmas trees from Home Goods this year. They came in a really pretty blue and then a silver color. And then my garland I added onto my fireplace as a flock garland. It's 9 feet long. I absolutely love it. And I just adorned it with the same ribbon and bows that I have throughout my Christmas tree. Now, I did find these cute little faux fur stockings that I picked up from Home Goods. I absolutely love it because it adds a sense of coziness and warmth to my space. Now, I am on a hunt for a fifth one, so hopefully I find a fifth one so they can all match. Now, continuing on with the pops of blue in the room, I did pick up a few new pillow covers. So this pillow cover, I'll have it linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested, but I absolutely love it. I love that pop of navy blue against the ivory. It just really makes the space pop. Next, I'm going to add in a cozy throw. I had this throw for many years now, and I believe it came from Home Goods, but it's by the Nautica brand. It's really lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's perfect for snuggling and cuddling up on the couch. Next, I'm going to add in these pillow covers. You guys have recently seen these. I had these in my living room for the fall season, so I brought them in here for Christmas. Now next, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my coffee table and add a little bit of decor to it. I'm just using some Windex. This is just what I had on hand. I'm just going to give everything a good wipe down. Next, I'm going to add in this acrylic tray that I got from CB2. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to add in some coffee table books that I got from Amazon. And then I found these cute little candles from Target. They're mercury glass and they're coming this beautiful blue. Now I think they did have a pretty green and a pretty red, but they just absolutely stunning, look really high end. So if you guys see these at Target, I would definitely recommend you pick those up. Then I do have a little flock Christmas tree that I got from Hobby Lobby many years ago. I just added in that candle holder. And then this is what the room is looking like so far. And on my console table, I added this cute little Santa I got from Home Goods last year, and then another one of those flock Christmas trees. Now, I recently shared how I decorated my Christmas tree. Well, I took you along as I decorated and styled this Christmas tree. So if you didn't see that video, I'll have a link up in the cards. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my chairs. And then I'm going to add in these pillows too. These are actually pillow covers as well. She is actually one of my YouTube sisters and make these pillow covers. So I'll have her Etsy shop linked down in the description box below. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. So now I'm just taking my Shark vacuum and I'm just going ahead and vacuuming up my rug. My Dyson battery actually went dead, so I had to switch vacuum cleaners, but I'm just giving everything a good vacuum.
Difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
And also on this little side table here, I added some cute little glitzy Christmas trees. So these trees I picked up from the Nutcracker Market here in Houston, maybe about 3 years ago. But they're absolutely stunning. They're made of metal and then it's filled with a little bit of glitter. They're absolutely stunning. So I just have them sitting on this little side table here. But that is it for this video, you guys. I really do love how the room has come together for the holidays. I hope you guys are enjoying all of the Christmas content. Like I said, if you are, please thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.